Hi guys, so today we are going to be talking about how you can book your NMC CBT exams after you have been verified. You go through a whole lot of process before NMC will get to verify you from your local regulatory body. So after your NMC have gone through all the process of your documents, then they will now send you an email. So the email they will send will indicate that okay, now you can go ahead to book your exams. You have been verified, so you are okay to book your exams. And then from there, they will ask Pearsonvue to send you an email containing some form of information to help you book your exams. So Pearsonvue will also send that, and then that email, one will be for your password and then one will be for your username. Mine, it came separately. The username came separately, and also the password also came separately. But I don't know for now if it comes combined. And then also when it comes, they will tell you that they have already created the account, so you don't need to go and create an account. You just have to log in with your username and then your password. And then what you do is you also change your password once you are able to log in on their site. Okay, so I don't want to talk too much. As you always know, I like to be practical about it. So from here, we are going to watch how the whole thing is like. Sometimes some of these things, when we get a foresight video of how the whole thing is like, it really goes a long way to help you. Rather than just going about and reading all information and getting frustrated and all that, when you get a video of how the whole thing looks like, it really goes a long way to help you. Because by all means, there are some people who have already gone through the process. So if you get something like that, it's going to help you so much. So that is why in my videos you have realized that I always like to attach some form of practical aspect of it so that you get to know what to expect when you get there. And if in case you get any difficulty, you also just refer to the video and then you are good to go. Also, if you are yet to start your NMC registration for the first time, kindly do come back here because I'll make sure to prepare a video for you about it from scratch so that you also get a hold of whatever or however the whole process is going to be like. You need certain kinds of documents before you start all your process. So don't forget to come back here for that video. So for now, let's just go into how to book your CBT exam. So automatically you see that a drop down menu will come and you just select it. So like I said, you just sign in. You don't create any account. all the very important videos that you wish you had before starting this NMC process, including job applications, everything you need to know about this UK journey. Also, if you're about to write your CBT exams, I want to wish you all the best. If you don't have any group that you are joining, kindly check in the description box. I'm going to leave all kinds of links, whether the one to book. Thank you so much for watching.